Hello, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to send your USDT from Bybit to Kucoin. First of all, you need to log into your Bybit account. Then you need to hover over the assets on the top right menu and go to the funding account. Now you need to find USDT in the list. If you can't find it, you can use the search bar, type USDT inside the search bar and find USDT. So here is USDT. We need to click withdraw button on the right side. And the important thing, we need to choose the chain, guys, network. You need to scroll this down. You can see there are different networks, but the popular ones are BIP20 and TRC20 networks. And in this case, they have got similar fees, 1.3 USDT. So for example, we are choosing BIP20 network. Now we need to find BIP20 USDT wallet address on Kucoin. So you need to log into your Kucoin account, then go to your assets on the top right menu, go to your funding account. Find USDT in the coin list, click deposit, and choose the same network, guys. So we are choosing BIP20 Binance Smart Chain network, and we need to take the similar network on Kucoin. So let's find BIP20 in the list. Here is BIP20. Copy the wallet address, go back to Bybit and paste the wallet address right here. And then you need to choose the amount of USDT you're sending from Bybit. And as you can see, there will be fixed fee 1.3 USDT. Click the confirm button and finalize the payment. Then in a few minutes, maximum 2 minutes, guys, you can check your assets on Kucoin. Go to your assets, go to funding account, and right here will appear your USDT balance. That's all I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.